everybody, hope all is well. Today we're going to be doing an inspection on which bag? Well, if you like these types of videos where I unbox authentic evil twin items, I DIY, compare bags, do a review on bags, and more, like today we're doing an inspection on a bag, then like and subscribe. And if you want to talk fashion style, then DM me my Instagram at TCP_lecture3. Let's get started. Which bag? Well, you see her right now. She's right over here. We are doing an inspection on my Lady Dior, my ABCDior bag. Here she is. Well, this is not her. Here she is. So gorgeous. It's been more than a year since I've had her, and oh my god. There's no words to explain how wonderful this bag is. Like, what evil twin withstanding me? That was pretty violent, wasn't it? Sorry to creep some of you out, but this channel is about having fun. If you can't have fun, then this is probably not the place for you, because I'm not that serious. Anyway, let's get to it. First, we will measure and weigh her empty. She weighs 1 pound and 9.8 ounces. 8 inches. Depth is 7 inches. I want to say about 7 inches. 4 inches. It's kind of weird because it bulks out. It says 41 inches by 41.5 inches. Let's start with the smell test. The faint smell of leather. Sorry guys, I forgot to take that clip of me saying the faint smell of leather. She smells of leather. She passes the smell test. You can see all the other reviews I did back here. It's a lot. Function and abuse test. So function and abuse test. I've dropped this bag like 3 times already. I've owned it for a year and a half. Like, this bag is amazing. So although I've dropped her, I just don't feel like abusing it that much. But anyway, it passes that just because in the past year and a half, almost 2, this bag has been taking my abuse. She passes the function and abuse test. Seam strength test. This beautiful bag is amazing. Look at those seams. I know I have a lot of light on this bag, which kind of, let me see if I could tone it down. You can see that the seams are amazing. Turn down the light a bit so you can see the seams. Look at her amazingness. She passes the seam strength test. Load test. It's not falling off anymore, is it? So I have a new little card holder thingamabobber, which I found on Amazon. So I'll link that below. Again, I have this is authentic, my little Dior makeup bag. I do not have an authentic Dior bag yet, but it's gonna soon to come. I have my glasses. Folks, I'm a city gal, so I do have a knife, but it's well within the legal length. And the antibacterial gel. I hope you guys are not scared of me now. And hair scrunchie, whatever, lipstick, whatever. We packed. And let's see if she fits. Oh, I also have my wallet. So I either would bring this or bring a smaller like card holder. So let's put this in here.
And I'm not sure. Oh, she pretty much fits. I'm just gonna leave her like that for
now. And put this and then put, dropped everything. My apologies. My camera's heavy. And then I'm gonna put this in here and it will fit, I think. So this is pretty snug right now, as you can see. I would probably take also like a smaller makeup bag because I don't wear a lot of makeup in it. You could tell that makeup bag had a lot. So with all that said, let's weigh her full with the crossbody. So with all that stuff, she's about 3 pounds, 3.2 ounces. She passes the load test. Zipper twist test. She does have a zipper. Now it's hard to get to, you can see. But I have to admit that the zipper is very, very good and smooth and buttery. Can't get in there to really like twist it or anything, but it's a good zipper. She passes the zipper twist test. Well, everybody, this bag is amazing. She gets an A. I'm sorry, she gets a plus because what? This bag is amazing. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a wonderful day and talk to you soon. Bye.